it's Helen here from Hell of a Cake, and today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to make Cakesicles. So today I'm using candy melts because I find it easier to work with. I'm using colour burst, which gives us a really lovely speckled colour. What I like to do is put the lolly stick in before the candy melt. This just makes sure that it lies flat. As you can see, I'm just pushing the lolly stick all the way through the hole and then pulling it back on itself so that it doesn't pop up. I'm pouring 175 grams of candy melts into a bowl, and I'm just popping that in the microwave on a defrost setting at around about a minute, but it does tell you that on the back of the packet. Now everything's melted, I'm just going to spread the mixture around the mould. I start off at the stick. Don't be afraid to put a lot here, as this will help the stick stay in place. When I spread it around the sides, I want to keep it to about 2 to 3 millimeters thick. This stops it from cracking when it hardens. I'm repeating this process another 2 times, and then I'm going to pop it in the fridge for around about 10 minutes. While my moulds are in the fridge, I'm going to start off by doing the filling. I mix some buttercream and crumble some cake together until they make a smooth mixture. Here you can see I'm spooning that filling into the mould and flattening it with a spoon. I'm leaving about 8 to 10 millimeters so the candy melts can go on top. If your candy melts are hardened at this point, you can always just put them back in the microwave and then apply a layer across the back covering any cake. I've found the best way to get a nice smooth back is to press the lid down onto the mould and then let them harden in the fridge for another 10 minutes. When your candy melts is completely hardened, you can gently take them out of the mould. To avoid loosening the stick, you can hold it at the end and then push it up. Your edges might look a bit rough at this point, but don't worry about it. Just drag a knife around the sides to get a nice smooth finish. And here are the finished plain Cakesicles. If you're interested in these cute and easy designs, I'm going to be uploading them all onto my channel. If you're interested in seeing these, make sure you like, subscribe, and then hit that notification bell. Until next time.